UVM was, from the outset, not just a university of ideas, but ideals. This belief, this faith, characterizes both our state and our institution. This is a community of believers, embedded in our common ground values, hewn in stone: respect, integrity, innovation, openness, justice, and responsibility. A place that seeks to live up to these values is where I want to be, right here in this place. I believe in the power of education to change the world. I believe we can create a better future, in that this moment of suffering and struggle can be the ground upon which we become wiser, braver, and make lasting and meaningful change, that we can reach across the chasm to bring people together to do this work. I believe in UVM, this institution that aspires to be better, to hew to our values, to create beloved community, to make the world a better place, to continue to grow when we fall short, to lift one another up and engage, and never to turn away. Together, we will strive for UVM, for our community, and for a better world.